Dear all, I am Bharat Guru, working as an assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. I hope you are safe and healthy at your place. We are going to see Introduction of Engineering Drawing. This is basic course for all engineering students irrespective of any branch. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand what is engineering drawing, its definition, importance, applications, course overview, and course outcomes of engineering drawing. What you get from this picture, maximum members gets the answer as Mahatma Gandhi. If I draw another picture here, then you easily can you guess, same way without saying any words you get the answer. One picture or drawing is equivalent to several sentences. Now what is drawing? What is engineering drawing? Drawing is an art of technique of producing images on a surface, usually paper, by pencil or pen. Engineering drawing relates with technical drawing. It has a definite set of rules. What tool used to communicate? Answer of this question is language. To share ideas, feelings with each other. For example, we use Marathi, Hindi, Tamil, English. Any engineer, he thinks about some products, ideas in his or her mind. Now he or she needs to share to communicate with others. For fulfill this facial language is required, which is called as a engineering drawing. Engineering drawing or engineering graphics is a graphical language. Both meaning is same. Engineering drawing or engineering graphics. Used by engineers, it is used to convey idea of any thought in his or her mind. So engineering drawing is a systematic way to express his or her thoughts. If we want to define engineering drawing in simple manner, an engineering drawing is a type of technical drawing that is used to convey information about an object. Now we see what is importance of engineering drawing. Many good ideas are rejected because of their failure to communicate. If we want to communicate with each other, we have to use this engineering drawing or engineering graphics. If we want to manufacture or produce machine part, engine part correctly, we must first record our ideas, and these ideas become realistic if they are shown on paper in form of drawings. Now we explore some applications. Civil engineers use engineering drawing in building drawings. If we want to construct any structure, house, firstly we have to draw it on paper. All manufacturing of engine machine parts requires engineering drawing. This figure shows simple parts. It's three-dimensional and as well as two-dimensional view of nut and bracket. Electrical and electronics engineers can use to draw circuit diagrams. Computer graphics is also one of the application of engineering drawing. The computer cannot replace the drawing board and equipment as a learning tool. The learning process is accomplished with traditional construction methods. That's why the engineering drawing subject is added in first year syllabus. There are number of other applications like aeronautical drawing. Aeronautical drawing is used in aircraft manufacturing. Marine drawing, it is used in ship construction. Let us see brief about course. Course name engineering drawing, course code BSH 105. Credits 2 plus 1. Its end semester examination is of 50 marks. End examination duration is 3 hours. Course outcomes of engineering drawing. Course outcomes means what students will be able to do at the end of the course. If you study this course, you will be able to visualize and draw engineering components using theory of projection. You are able to visualize the components. It may be machine component, it may be engine component, as well as you are able to draw the projections. There are two methods by which we can draw the projection: first angle projection method, third angle projection method. If we consider the object part component in first angle, it becomes first angle projection method. If part or component lies in third angle, then it is considered as a third angle projection method. By using this theory of projection, we are able to draw the projections. Next, you will be able to draw a two-dimensional view of an engineering component from given three-dimensional view. Figure shows three-dimensional view and its conversion into two-dimensional view. This one is three-dimensional view and its conversion is two-dimensional view. If machine part or component is to be manufactured, first we have to give its two-dimensional drawing. That's why we convert this three-dimensional view into two-dimensional view. Next will be draw an isometric view from a given orthographic view. This shows two-dimensional view and its conversion in three-dimensional view. Three-dimensional view is also called as a isometric view and two-dimensional view is called as a orthographic view. Next, you will be interpret hidden details of engineering components using sectional view. As I told, isometric is three-dimensional view and orthographic is two-dimensional view. If we see this component, you are not able to get the idea what is inside this hole. For this, we go for its sectional view. If we want to interpret what is behind that, we use these sectional views. Next, you will be able to construct different engineering components using various drafting instruments. There are different engineering components we have to draw in this engineering drawing. For that purpose, we have to use number of drawing instruments like drawing board, T-square, set square. Main important, we introduce here the mini drafter by which we can draw the number of parallel lines as well as number of vertical lines. Along with this, the routine pencil, sharpener, all these needs for this engineering drawing. These are the different instruments by which we can draw machine component, engine component correctly. At last, develop drawing skills using standard dimensioning, line work and lettering. If we want to draw something, you need accuracy in terms of this dimensioning, line work and lettering. As I told earlier, there are certain rules which we have to follow in engineering drawing. If we want to give the dimension, there is separate dimension line. If we want to give the radius, then there is a separate method to give the dimension of radius. Means we have to follow all these dimensions rules as well as line work. There are different lines: dark line, thick line, thin line, dotted line, axis line, as well as whatever we want to draw on sheet, we have to draw it in capital letters A, B, C, D, always these letters in capitals. At the end, engineering drawing is used to communicate technical ideas in modern technology intensive industry. Use of drawing instruments to make drawing as well as develop their skills in technical sketching. Thank you.